Hi, Joshua Wells here with another game idea for you. I hope you enjoy this one as much as the others. Here's what we're going to do. Today is a simple camera game, at least that's what we call it over here, and we have a great time with this one. Normally, for games and whatnot, we get a boy or a girl to answer a question, whether we were going over the memory verse, we were going over a Bible lesson, a missionary story, or what have you, or even basic Bible knowledge questions, and we'd get the kid to come up here to answer the question correct, whether it be a boy or a girl, if we're doing boys versus girls, which most of the time we are, but anyhow. Up here, they can come up and they'll point to one, they'll say, I want that camera, and they'll pick it, and that would be 300 points to their team, whether it's the boys or the girls, and we have a great time with that. However, they either decide to stop or keep going. If they decide to stop, then those 300 points are secured to their team. So if it was a boy up here, those 300 points would automatically go to the boy's side. But if that little Johnny says, I want to keep going, and he keeps going, and let's say he picks this one here, and it's another 300 points. So that would be 600 points if he decided to stop right there. If he decided to stop. If he decided to keep going, and he gets wind, then the points wind up on the other team. And so a lot of times the kids are like, no. Anyway, so but it's a lot of fun. They don't want to get a whine. They don't want to get a whine. If they get a whine, please tell them don't whine about it, okay? Anyhow, it's a lot of fun. Do let them know the highest points that you're putting in there. I think mine is 1,000, somewhere in here. I don't know where I put it. Actually, my son Andrew put all this together for me. But anyhow, so it's in there somewhere. I usually don't do more than 5 whines for a setup like this, but it's a lot of fun. I like this system. I'll try to put a link to where I bought it online in the description below. But anyhow, it's almost like a marquee sign. You can hang the letters up in there, or words, or even you can put different kind of pictures or signs. And these are actually really inexpensive too. You can get most of these at like a teacher store or something along the lines of that. And so great idea there for games. And maybe you have a great game idea you'd like to submit. And I'd love to look at it. I love ideas. And that's one of the main reasons why we're doing this is to help others with ideas and to get ideas as well, because I just like ideas, okay? Working with kids is wonderful. And I hope you enjoy it too. Well, God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.